If you're expecting your first child, congratulations. You're about to embark on the most rewarding and fulfilling experience of your life. I say this personally because I have 2 teenagers of my own, and it has been an experience to say the least. As you may already know, there's a long list of responsibilities associated with your new title, being a parent. And financial responsibilities take a backseat to none of those. Raising a child is expensive. The USDA estimates the total expenses for a child's first 18 years at more than $200,000. Yes, $200,000. So, as you begin planning for your first child, consider these areas and their associated expenses. The first thing that you should consider is healthcare. If you're covered by an employer's plan, check to make sure of options for adding a child. Additionally, if you do not have an employer-sponsored plan, consider a medical reimbursement account, an MRA, or a health savings account, HSA, if either are available. These can pay for items such as deductibles, co-payments, and orthodontics. If you're paying for your healthcare directly, you can choose a managed care plan such as an HMO, which offers a lower upfront cost than traditional plans, but it may require you to pay at least 20% of care costs. However, a PPO plan may provide you with more options as to which providers you can see and whether you need a referral to see a specialist. Whatever route you go, deductible, coinsurance amounts, co-payments, and monthly premiums vary greatly. So, review the options available to you carefully before making your selection. The second thing to consider is childcare. Depending on your adjusted gross income, or AGI, you may be eligible to receive tax benefits as a parent. The child tax credit provides a credit up to $2,000 per child under age 17. To qualify, your child must have a Social Security number before you file your tax returns. The third thing to consider is insurance. Purchasing disability and life insurance can provide income for your child if your earning capacity is compromised. And if you're not sure how much insurance you need, this is where a financial professional may be able to provide you with some guidance as to the recommended amount of coverage for each. Also, make sure to see if your employer offers these policies. They are often less expensive than those that you have to purchase independently. Finally, consider drawing up a will that designates a legal guardian for your child in the event that you and your spouse pass away together. If you and your spouse pass away intestate, which basically means without a will, a court will decide whom to appoint as your child's guardian. So, make sure that the will is written so that it applies to your new child as well as your future children. By carefully budgeting for your new child, you can help secure the financial future of both you and your child. If you have any further questions and to create a plan that works for you, make sure to reach out to your financial advisor. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy content like this, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.